Hello everyone. Okay, so we are live. Looks like the notification is yet to be sent. Perfect. Yeah, I can see people joining. Sorry, I am late by I think just 4 minutes. Oh, sorry, late by 8 minutes. But I was setting up things. Don't worry. We will do a little longer session today. But before that, can someone confirm if my audio is clear? I'm pretty sure the video is clear, but I just want to know if the audio is clear. I'm just using a different mic set today, so I want to see in the comment section somebody talking about the audio. Yes, it's clear. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, so one more question. Is the audio better than usual, or how is the audio? Because I'm using a complete different setup today. I just want to hear from you people. Okay, your audio is very clear. Great. Then I think we can continue with the same setup going ahead. Good. Okay, maybe this is a 500K studio setup. Not much compared to previous. Okay. Okay. Low. Is the audio low? Is it? No, actually, I'm talking a bit low. I think. Okay. Don't worry about the this one. The not crisp. Okay. Yeah, we'll just try to. Previous was a little better. Okay, for today, let's just continue with this setup. After the video, I'll also just go back and see. Okay. Yeah. After the video, I'll just go back and see the audio. But for today, just let's adjust with this setup. Okay. For me, it's good. Okay. Great. Can we make a future in IoT? Okay. Great. So what is the theme for today? Okay. Let's start with the theme for today. So the theme for today is I will be reviewing your resume, LinkedIn, whoever is willing to share your resume, whoever is willing to share your LinkedIn. So you can just share that with me. And in live, I'm going to tell you if you're better, if your profile is good or is there a scope for you to optimize your profile, right? I'm going to do that live today. You can share your resume by hiding the details, right? You can share your resume maybe by just removing certain details that you don't want to share. Similarly, you can also share your LinkedIn profile. Let's go through those profiles and let's discuss about the optimization, right? Perfect. So I'm going to share the link. Whoever wants to join, all that you need to do is now I'm sharing the link here. So all that you need to do is join the link. Okay, I'll also highlight the link. So this is the one that you need to join. Even if you go to the start section, you can find this link. I can also add it to the description of today's video, right? I can also add it to the description of today's live stream. In case you can't find it in the comment section, just go to the description, right? Join me live. Okay, I added it to the description of the video as well, so you can definitely join me. Perfect. But make sure you utilize the opportunity only if you're interested. Otherwise, you don't have to get to the live stream with me, because others can share their resumes and they can discuss about the profile optimization. Just give a background before you share the resume. Just give the background, what exactly you're doing currently, right? Great. Okay, while people are joining, I will just go through the chat section. Very quickly, I'll go through the chat section. Hi, brother, do you conduct any online trainings on DevOps? Please respond. No, we don't do any online or we don't do any trainings. Everything is on YouTube. We also have a couple of courses on Udemy, but that is all that we have. We don't have anything more. Great. Yeah. So this is the thing. The studio is full. We have informed the host that someone is trying to enter. You will be, yeah. So at the most, only 10 people can join at a point, right? So if one of them quits, or if one of them, we go through one of their profile, then we can remove them and you can join, right? At a time, only 10 people can join the studio. So don't worry about it. Again, if you are not interested, please don't join. Let's give opportunity for others, right? Okay. So let me get started. I will add someone. Okay, Saya Niruddh.
Okay.
Hi, how are you?
Thank you for giving the first opportunity to me. It's a great pleasure to meet you.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations on
Uh,
500K subscribers.
thank you, Anirudh.
Thank you.
Okay, Anirudh, what's your question? Do you want to talk about your profile, or you have any question? Go ahead.
Yeah, sir. Actually, I started my career as a cloud engineer in a startup company.
Hmm.
But there is a no projects, no real day projects. There is nothing work we have done. We have on a bench a lot of time. Still, I'm on bench itself. There is a no project, and so I have started learning DevOps tools from various channels from you and from other sources. Like I have learned the DevOps tools, and I have done some demo projects to explore how the process will goes on and how the real-time scenarios will be there, and I've learned
Hmm.
so many things. So
Okay.
now I want to switch the company, but I'm not getting any calls, and I have optimized LinkedIn and my resume also.
Okay. So when you say you optimize your LinkedIn and your resume,
Yes.
like do you see any analytics on the resume? Like do you see people viewing your profile, or are you trying in Naukri as well, or just you're focusing on LinkedIn
No,
and
no, no. I'm trying in different like LinkedIn, Naukri, Indeed, Found It, and Bait.
like you
And we
want?
are,
Do you have any of those profiles? Like, can you share your Naukri profile so that we can see the
yeah.
profile? Okay.
I'm sharing my LinkedIn profile. Your
Go
first.
ahead. Go ahead and share it.
I shared just now.
Okay, I can't see it. Wait, let me check. No, I still can't see.
I've shared again.
What do you see there? Like, do you
The
see the
the
screen?
others can say they are messaging that we can see it, but I think it is not. mm,
No, nobody can see.
1 second, 1 second. Okay. I'm posting in a different one
Okay.
now. This comment has failed to post Abhishek.Veeramalla. I think it is getting that.
No,
It is getting
you
failed.
don't have to share the link. Okay, you just have to share your screen.
Okay.
Okay, you just have to share your screen with Naukri. Okay,
So
whoever is
right now,
posting, we cannot share your link. We cannot join the link. Don't worry, if one of them quits the link, you can join. Yeah. Can you share your link or you can't?
actually I'm in mobile. I think so. It is not. I can't do it from
Ah,
mobile.
okay, no problem. Let's give others opportunity, right?
Okay.
In
Thank
the
you.
meanwhile, you can just go back and you can join from your laptop. Okay,
Okay.
thank you. Yeah. Now that I have removed one person, others can join. Hey, hi Narsimha. Do you have any questions?
Hi, Abhi. Am I audible?
Yep, you're audible. Go ahead.
Yeah. Good evening. Congratulations on the 500K subscribers for the channel.
Thank you so much. Yeah.
Yeah,
Uh,
it's more or
what is
less.
your question? Hmm.
I just wanted to check my LinkedIn profile with you, whether it is kind of optimized or is there any scope for that. So I just
Please go
wanted to
ahead.
check that with you. So what I have done is also I've also joined from the mobile. Just now
Okay.
you said that we cannot share.
Yeah, because from mobile you cannot share, right? Probably you can
Yeah, yeah,
just try logging out and probably try to log in from your laptop. Okay.
yeah. I am doing that. Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah. Okay. Let's give others opportunity. Let's see. Hi, Hemraj.
Hi, how are you, sir?
I'm good. I'm good. How are you?
Sir, actually, can I speak in Telugu?
Yeah, you can, but a lot of people won't understand. But it's okay. Yeah, you
Okay.
try to speak in
So,
Telugu. I'll reply in English. No problem. Yeah.
yeah, I have one doubt only, bro.
Hmm?
నేను బీకామ్ 4 years అయింది కంప్లీట్ చేసి.
Hmm.
నేను ఇప్పుడు డెవాప్స్ మీ ఛానల్స్ ద్వారా నేర్చుకుంటున్నాను. చాలా క్లియర్గా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేశారు అండ్ ఈజ్ యూస్ఫుల్ ఫర్ పీపుల్స్. బట్ నా మై డౌట్ ఈస్ ఓన్లీ వన్ థింగ్. నేను ఐటీ సైడ్ మూవ్ అవ్వచ్చా?
Sure. See, okay, so the question is you have 4 years experience, 4 years career gap. You come from BCA background. Can you
No, no,
switch
no.
to IT?
Bcom, bro.
BCom, anything is fine. Okay,
Yeah,
can you switch to DevOps or IT? So the thing is
yeah, yes,
that
bro.
when you
Yeah,
when you have career gap, you can
yeah,
definitely switch. Okay, that's not a
yeah,
problem. But only
yeah,
thing is that you have to come from a freelancing background because when you have 4 years career gap, usually companies will not be interested in hiring you. So what you can do is
yeah,
that try for freelancing opportunities first. It's very simple.
yeah.
So today you can go to any of the freelancing portals. There is Upwork, there is Fiverr, there is freelancing.com, freelancer.com. So
Yeah.
go to those websites, create your profile in those
Okay.
websites, okay, and try for one or two freelancing opportunities. Even if you get one
Okay.
or two freelancing opportunities, your 4 years career gap will go away because
Okay.
now you have started actively working. You have some clients, and in the interviews also you can talk about that freelancing experience. So instead of saying you have
Yeah.
4 years career gap, you can just say that okay, I'm working as a freelancer. Create your resume as a
And also
freelancer.
fake
Create your. Mhm.
fake experience 3 years పెడదామని
No, no,
చూస్తున్నాను.
no. It's
Is it possible?
wasted. Don't. No, no, no. Don't try for that. Because if you go for fake experience, even if you get caught, it will create a red mark in your profile. Okay. Even next time when you try to go to a different
Oh,
company, it will impact. First of all, try with this. Okay.
okay.
Whatever I'm saying. First of all, try with the freelancing opportunity. If you still don't get it,
Okay.
then let's see. Okay. But first of all, try this
Okay.
opportunity. It will give you a very clean
Okay.
profile. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Thank you,
Thank
brother.
you. Thanks, Emraj. Bye. Okay. Let's see. Next, who is next? Hi. Hello, Vamshi.
Hi, Abhishek.
Hi.
Abhishek, yes, see, I am basically from the Linux production support background,
Okay.
and even I learned the OpenShift, even I worked on the OpenShift. So
Great.
now, actually, honestly saying, I'm not interested on the programming. Though I'm a
Okay.
CS candidate, I'm not interested on the programming. I don't even.
Okay.
Right now, I'm looking for the SRE roles.
Okay.
But even SRE, they are expecting almost what is the DevOps, like from
Yeah.
the
Yeah.
CA
Yeah.
and onwards, they're asking.
Yes. 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 Yes.
So I have two questions right now. Just
Okay.
now also I'm going through your Udemy course, the
Okay.
interview one. Okay, so here one is like earlier, I mean the difference between the Jenkins and GitHub Actions. What I understood is Jenkins is the manual task, what they are doing it. GitHub Action is the one, like one time you set up, it will do everything is automated.
No.
And the second thing is,
Oh.
again, from this Kubernetes point of view, I mean GitOps. So GitOps also will be doing deployment through Argo CD. But what is the difference between, if GitOps, what will happen when your new image comes, it will be deploying the new image, right? So what is the difference between that one, or what is the difference between image stream?
Okay. Got it. Okay, so you have two questions here. First question is about DevOps and SRE, where you see overlap between the job descriptions. Second question that you have is Jenkins versus GitHub Action. Third question that you have is GitOps versus image stream. Okay, so for people who don't understand, image stream is a concept in OpenShift. Okay, that is not a concept in Kubernetes. Let me make it clear. Okay, now you have three questions. Let's go one by one. First question: why there is an overlap between DevOps and SRE? So the thing here is that companies are hiring only one person. Either they are hiring SRE or they are hiring DevOps. Now, what they're trying to do is that if they're hiring a SRE person, they're expecting SRE person to do DevOps. Similarly, if they're hiring a DevOps person, they're expecting the DevOps person to have knowledge on observability or anything that is related to production support and what SRE people do, sometimes on call as well. Of course, there are two different streams, but unfortunately, companies are still not realizing that DevOps and SRE are totally different. So for now, we cannot do anything. If you are a SRE engineer, you should have some knowledge of what DevOps engineer does. Similarly, if you are a DevOps engineer, you should have some knowledge of what SRE engineer does. That's why in our 2025 roadmap, I covered observability as well. Okay. So first question, we cannot do anything. Industry is moving in the direction where they are expecting DevOps to do SRE and SRE to do DevOps. Now, second question, what is the difference between Jenkins and GitHub Actions? Sometimes there will not be any difference. For example, if I ask you what is the difference between Swiggy and Zomato, or if I ask you what is the difference between Zomato and Uber Eats, there is no difference, right? They are two different companies trying to solve the same problem. Similarly, Jenkins and GitHub are also not different. They are two different open source. One is open source project Jenkins, and other is GitHub Actions, which is led by the GitHub company. Kind of they own it. There are two different tools, I can say, which is trying to solve the same problem. But GitHub Actions is more of cloud native thing where it supports deployments to Kubernetes very easily, and also you have a lot of actions there. That means there is a lot of automation in that, and also it is more cloud native friendly. So if you know YAML, you can easily learn GitHub Actions. But Jenkins is a legacy platform where they have declarative pipelines and they have scripted pipelines. So when it comes to Jenkins, because it also supports configuration through manual settings in Jenkins, traditionally a lot of companies have adopted it, right? Many people who are not good with scripting, they prefer Jenkins, and there are a lot of companies who run their CI/CD pipelines even today with Jenkins. So there is no absolute difference, but there are two different tools trying to achieve the same problem or solve the same problem. Now, third question is that what is the difference between GitHub and image stream? See, there are two different things. Image stream, what it does, whenever there is a new image, it will try to update the image, right? But GitOps is not only about image. GitOps is about managing your Kubernetes configuration in a declarative approach. In fact, it is not only Kubernetes. GitOps is a principle that can be applied to virtual machines as well. But mostly people use GitOps for Kubernetes. The concept here is that it can be your image, it can be your node configuration, it can be your admission controller concept, or anything in Kubernetes. You can put those manifests in a Kubernetes Git repository, and your GitOps controller like Argo CD or Flux CD, it will pick up the configuration from a version control system, and it will maintain that configuration on the Kubernetes cluster. So image stream is a concept that is only restricted to your images, but GitOps is a concept that is used to manage declaratively your entire Kubernetes configuration, right? So this is the difference between image stream and GitOps. I hope it is clear.
Yeah, can I share my screen?
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah.
Where is it? I don't see it. Have you shared?
Wait, 1 minute. I'm sharing.
Okay. Yeah. Answer to your questions are clear, right? At least.
Yes.
Perfect.
See, this is my.
Okay. I can see it now. Let me see. Okay, great. Can you go to technical engineer for infrastructure operations? American Express. Nice. Okay. Uh, Open to work. That's great. I can see you are open to work. What does your profile heading say? Technical engineer for infrastructure operations and engineering. Okay, technical engineer. It can be little better. I know. I mean, I think that that is the designation in your organization. But instead of technical engineer, you can maybe say technical architect, or maybe you can say DevOps engineer, SRE engineer.
Okay.
Because technical engineer is too generic. It doesn't say anything specific to your job role. Okay.
Okay.
Can you scroll down? Can you please scroll down? Great. Okay, you have featured 2 certifications. That's nice.
Yeah.
Great. I can also see some activities not very active, but okay. Last thing you posted was 1 week, and before that you posted was 2 months. Okay. Can you scroll down further? Yeah. Wherever you mentioned site reliability engineer, can you please edit that section and show me what you have put there?
This one.
Click on the edit button. Yeah. Perfect. Yeah, can I see that particular section? Click on the edit icon or the pencil icon that you see there. Yeah, click on that. Okay, scroll down, please. Oh, yeah. See, you have mentioned nothing in the description. This is the most important section. Okay, whenever someone goes to LinkedIn and whenever someone search, let's say, site reliability engineer, or whenever they search, let's say, for Kubernetes, this is the section in LinkedIn where LinkedIn algorithm will look for this, the description section. Okay. So here you have to provide things in very detailed format. For example, your day-to-day activities. Okay. Whatever questions that you asked about, that tells me that you are doing a lot in your job role. For example, you spoke about OpenShift. You spoke about image stream. You spoke about GitHub Actions. Put those things in the description that on day-to-day, as a technical engineer or as a site reliability engineer, as part of my day-to-day activities, I work on building CI/CD pipeline. I work on maintaining Kubernetes clusters, OpenShift clusters. I work on setting up image streams. So you have a lot to put in the description.
Okay.
Okay.
And one more thing here, as a site reliability engineer, we have to perform even CI/CD configurations also.
Not really. Not really. It's not. It's not part of your job description. But you can just say, I have understanding of CI/CD. Okay,
Got
just in case. Just in case. But it's not required as part of your job description.
Okay. And is the programming is mandatory? The Python?
Yeah, for a site reliability engineer, programming is mandatory
Uh,
because as a site reliability engineer, not very high level programming, but at least you should have the fundamentals of programming. Like at least go with one programming language. I would prefer Python. Second one that I would prefer is Golang.
okay. Got it.
Okay, and not only in your current job role, but also try to update your previous job roles. For example, Tata Consultancy Services, which I see, where you work for 11 years. Also try to update the description there because for 11 years you will have a lot to put.
Got it. Yeah.
And also the skills that you have updated that does not meet the site reliability engineer skills. For example, if you go to TCS, you mentioned technical lead, but the skills that you have mentioned is infrastructure, trace route, strategic planning, new business opportunities, Ansible. Instead, I would like to see Kubernetes. I would like to see Python. I would like to see as a site reliability engineer Git. All of these things. Maybe PagerDuty or maybe incident management tools like ServiceNow. I would
Okay.
like to see all of that. Okay.
Okay.
So overall, you have a lot to work on your profile. Please spend a couple of days, and you need to change your profile completely to get opportunities. Right?
Sure. Yeah, sure.
Perfect. Perfect. Thanks, Vamshi.
Yeah.
So going back, just to summarize, update your first of all, update your title itself, then update your description section. After that, try to update your skills section and try to be more active on LinkedIn. That is the final thing that I would like to say. Right?
Okay. Yeah, thank you.
Thanks. Thanks, Vamshi. Bye. Okay. So that was about Vamshi's profile. I hope you also learned a lot. Now let's see someone else's. Presha is here. Hi. Hi, Presha.
Hi, good evening.
Hi.
I'm fairly new to your page. Just to introduce myself, my name is Presha Pathak, and I've got 3 years of work experience as a
Great.
Linux administrator. So I graduated, and in fact, tomorrow will be my 3rd year. I'll be completing 3 years.
Wow.
So
Congrats.
thank you. So the question that I wanted to ask you is that, of course, the natural progression is moving on to a DevOps engineer, and that is the kind of role I am
Yes.
looking at. I have
Yes.
done a few certifications, but I would like you to give me some insights on my resume and on my LinkedIn. I have opened it, so if you could let me, I'll
Can
share my
you,
screen.
yeah, but can you please share any, can you please hide any personal information? Just make sure before you share your resume, make sure we don't see your phone number or anything important.
Okay, I will just do that in 1 second.
Yeah, please.
I had not done that earlier. Okay,
Yeah,
so
please.
I will just share
Just
my
double
screen.
check. There is no hurry. Just double check. Okay.
Okay, sure.
Great.
Screen. Okay, so I think
Okay, great.
my resume is visible.
Okay. Let's first check your resume. That's great. Okay. Can you please increase the font a bit?
Yeah, I'll
Or
just I will just download it so that it will be easier for me to show it to you.
great, great. Everyone who is sharing your profile, please make sure we don't see anything sensitive. Okay, great.
Yeah.
Okay, so you again, can you please increase the font size?
Okay, okay. I'm so sorry. I just
Yeah.
so I just wanted to mention that these links are clickable on my resume.
Okay,
So
great. One thing that I really appreciate is the GitHub link. If I'm the interviewer, it makes my life very easy. So that's great. Okay, so result-oriented system administrator. Okay, Unix, Linux. Let's go from the top. Can
okay.
you please hold on a minute for there? Uh,
Scroll down.
yeah, no. Can you hold on a minute for there?
Yeah. Please let me know when I can scroll. Yeah.
Yep. Results-oriented system administrator seeking a challenging DevOps position to system. Okay, AWS cloud infrastructure. Okay, great. Okay, I'll first go through your profile, then I'll talk about it. Okay.
Yes, definitely.
Maintain and patched a fleet of 12,000 units. Okay, 1200 12,000. Great. EC2 instances, LTS upgrade. Okay. Great. Can you please scroll down further? Okay. Okay, that is all you have. Great. See, one thing I'll be
Yes.
very, very honest. Okay.
Yeah.
So you have a great profile when it comes to Linux administrator, and you try to be honest as well. But
Yes.
see, honesty doesn't work in the interviews. I'm
Yeah.
being bluntly honest here.
Yes,
So
absolutely.
okay, what you need to do, okay, you can have all your achievements as a Linux administrator. That's not a
Mhm.
problem because end of the day, Linux administration is part of DevOps engineering role today in 2025. But I don't want to see that you are a Linux administrator if I am taking the interviews because, end of the day, okay, I really appreciate your profile, but I'm hiring a DevOps engineer for my company.
Mhm.
Many interviewers, even during the HR screening, ignore about interviews. HRs, they will be only interested if you are a DevOps engineer. They will be like, okay, why should I give Presha an opportunity? Okay, I'll go for a DevOps engineer who is already having experience in this field. So what you should do, Presha, uh,
Yes.
everything is absolutely fine. Your profile description, just call yourself as a DevOps engineer already. Okay.
Okay.
Along with your Linux administration, whatever you had at 12,000 Linux, RHEL servers, along with that, add a few points about CI/CD, although you haven't worked on it, maybe. But it's okay. Whatever you're learning from the channel, whatever projects you're building, showcase that you're already working as a DevOps engineer.
Okay.
Okay.
Understand.
Similarly, talk about Kubernetes, talk about Terraform. Using Terraform, you have created infrastructure. Ansible, I think you have already worked. I can see some points with respect to Ansible.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Git is something that you can always add.
Yes.
Linux networking, you have already added. That's good. In the DevOps tools, you mentioned about Git, Jenkins, Docker, and Kubernetes. But try to put those points in the current experience.
Okay. Okay. I understand.
So you should work on your resume. You are very honest in your resume, but unfortunately, interviewers or HRs don't like honesty, because when they try to shortlist your profile and they find another profile with having experience on DevOps, they would probably prefer that profile. Okay,
Right. Yes, I understand that.
perfect.
So in that case, I will also have to make those changes to my LinkedIn as well, right?
Definitely,
Okay.
definitely. Okay.
Okay.
See, you want to get an opportunity as a DevOps engineer, right?
Correct. Yes.
So showcase that, okay, I already have experience in DevOps. You might ask, but Abhishek, how will I answer the questions? Because when it comes to Linux, I have good experience. If somebody is asking me how to patch a RHEL server, I know how to patch a RHEL server, so I'm going to answer it. But if someone asks me, what are some issues that you face with Kubernetes? Okay, or if someone asks me, let's say, how ingress configuration works, how would I answer that question? It's a genuine question,
Yeah,
but
yeah,
for
yeah.
the same purpose, you are learning concepts from YouTube. Maybe you are learning some projects from our channel or other sources,
Yes, yes.
whichever it is, right? So make a habit of practicing things that you're learning, so that when you attend interviews, maybe first 5 interviews you will perform terrible, but after that, okay, you will understand what kind of questions I should expect. You will prepare for the questions. Okay, along with your Linux administration experience, you will try to also work on this experience, at least explain, at least you will understand how to explain answers to these questions, and then you will ace the interviews. Okay, it will take some time, but
Yes.
go with this approach.
Okay.
Okay,
Thank you so much. That has been
no
really
problem.
helpful. Thank you so
No
much.
problem. Thanks, Presha. See you. Bye. Okay, that was Prisha's profile. And till now, what we have learned, we learned how SRE engineers should build their profile. Fortunately, with Prisha's profile, we also learned how Linux administrators should build their profile, right? Now let's see someone else's profile. A lot of people have connected, but they have their devices not connected. So unfortunately, I have to kick them out in a good way so that others get opportunity. Don't feel bad if I kick you out from the studio. There is no hard feeling. Just trying to give others opportunity. Okay, hi, Harshavardhan. How are you doing?
Yeah, hi Abhishek. I'm doing very
Hi,
good.
hi.
First of all, I will congratulate you for the 500K subscribers.
Great.
Yeah. So yeah, I wanted to first of all review my LinkedIn profile, and yeah, I have
Great.
some questions regarding
Can you,
job
yeah,
searches.
can you give a little background of your experience
Yeah.
before we go to LinkedIn?
Yeah. So currently, I'm working as a DevOps engineer at a startup, and it's I have around 11 months of experience
Can
working
you
as a
can
DevOps
you
engineer.
turn can you turn can you turn off your camera? Actually, there is some lag, so maybe you
Okay.
can turn off your video. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, now go
Yeah.
ahead.
All right. Okay. Yeah. So I'm working as a DevOps engineer, and I have been working for 11 months, and it's a small startup. So the opportunities and the projects were very good as of now for now, but uh, recently the projects is like they are not coming, so I'm planning for a switch. uh,
Okay.
so yeah, that's what I have as of now for my profile.
Okay, great. So you have 11 months of experience. I can consider you as
Yeah,
a fresher, right? Less than 1 year experience. You're working for
right.
a startup, and right now you don't have any project, so you're on bench, right?
Yeah, so yeah, I have worked on various projects, but since last
Right now.
15 to 20
Yeah,
days I
right now.
don't have any
Right
project.
now, right now. Okay. See, one thing that I'll tell you, even before seeing your profile. So if you work less than 1 year for a company,
Mhm.
unfortunately, a lot of people won't prefer because they look at stability like, okay, why is this person switching with less than 1 year experience? Okay, is there anything
Mhm.
wrong? Or people have a lot of questions. So uh,
Right.
you will have to wait for some time. Okay, we can definitely review
Okay.
your profile, but this is a honest advice that you need to wait at least for a couple of months where you cross 1 year
Uh-huh.
experience, so that by the time you
Okay.
serve notice period and by the time you join other company, you'll at least have 1 year 3 months
Mhm.
or 1 year 4 months of experience. Okay, but still,
Got it.
yeah, let's go ahead
Got
and review your profile. Do you want to stay?
All right.
Do you
Yeah.
want to share your LinkedIn first?
Yes, yes. I'm sharing my screen.
Okay, go ahead. Where can I see it? I don't see
Yeah.
it yet.
Is it
Okay, okay,
visible?
okay. Yeah, I can see it now.
Yeah.
Harshavardhan, DevOps engineer, almost a fresher. Let's see. Great. Indore, Madhya Pradesh. You have your portfolio. You have a certification as well on AWS. Great.
Yes.
Which one is it? Which certification is it? Can you scroll up?
It is yeah, it's solution architect associate.
Okay. So you directly went for solution architect associate. Nice.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Can you show me your about section?
Yeah. This is my about section.
Okay. Please stay there for a second. Hmm. Okay. I think it's very well optimized, at least the about section for now what I see. You also have your
Okay.
email address mentioned. This is looking good. Okay. Can you scroll down further?
Yeah.
Okay, top skills. Again, it's good. You also have your good ones featured. One is the certification, and one is, I think, you attended or you were
Yeah.
presenting there.
I was presenting a talk.
Oh, very good, very good. Okay, that is also looking good. It also seems like you are pretty active. Another good thing.
Yeah.
Nice, nice. Finally, I just want to see your experience section.
Yeah.
Okay, can you just open that? Like your current
Yeah.
experience, can you just show me what you have there? DevOps engineer, you are also doing good with the AI about. Scroll down further. Yeah. Okay. Can you do you have anything else in the description or only that?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's all what I have.
Okay, one thing that I would suggest, okay, you have already put a lot of effort in writing the about section. Just copy paste the same thing
Mhm.
here because you only work for one company, right? Whatever you have in the
Yeah.
about section, just copy paste the same thing here in the description. Okay,
Okay. Okay. Got it.
because you just work for one company. So whatever you have experience,
Right.
whatever you learned in the same company. So just put the same thing here.
Correct. Correct.
But rest your profile is very good. You are active.
Okay.
I also see that you have certification. You have also highlighted one of the networking events that you have attended as a speaker actually. Only thing is
Yeah.
that just wait for a couple of months because you just have
Okay.
9 months of experience. A lot of companies won't prefer that. That's the only thing why you might not be getting calls. Rest everything is fine.
Okay. Got it. Got it.
Okay. In the meanwhile, like you have couple of months, right? In the meanwhile, you can just
Yeah.
focus on building a lot of projects. You're
Mhm.
already doing a lot of certifications. Just focus on building
Yeah.
some projects, add it to your GitHub profile, and uh, things will be fine. Once you cross 1 year experience, I think you should see some interview calls at least.
Okay, got it, got it. Thank you so much.
No, you're
Yeah,
doing great. Great, Harsha. Bye. Take care.
thank you.
Okay, so that was Harsha's profile. Actually, it was very good. Only thing is that trying to switch without staying for 1 year in a company, it's little difficult. Okay, but otherwise, profile was decent. It was good actually. I should say it's good. Okay, let's go with someone else. Hey, hi, Rajiv Chanda. Rajiv.
Hi,
That's a unique name, Rajiv. Unique. Yeah. What does that mean?
am I audible? Abhishek?
Yeah, you're audible. I was asking what does Rajiv mean?
Yeah, Rajiv is it's
Rajiv.
a name of flower.
Oh, nice.
It's
Great.
a Bengali name. It's a Bengali. So I'm belongs from Kolkata. So Abhishek, I've been trying to connect with you a lot. So
Okay.
it's my luck that I have connected with you. Thanks,
Great.
Abhishek.
Great.
Mm.
Yeah. Can
So
you can you talk a little bit about your experience? Then we'll go through your profile. Yeah.
yes, fine. So I was like, I have been 14 years of experience. I worked in Accenture and I currently working in CTS. And I have worked on many technology like on-premise Windows, VMware, Citrix, Netscaler. And after that, worked on hyperconverged products also, and started moving to cloud. Also worked on AWS, Azure. So I have done many design also. Now I have three questions. First, if you are okay with the background, then I can start my three questions.
Yeah. Perfect. Perfect. I
Yeah.
got your background. It's perfect. Yeah. Go ahead.
First question. Currently, I'm fully confused where I will move my career, where I can settle, and how to improve on which area. Because after knowing all these technologies, while I'm giving interview, I will not make happy to the interviewer. Means interviewer is asking something, I was telling something as per my experience. Okay, mostly I need from your concrete suggestion where I will move my career and where I will learn all these things. So at least in future, upcoming 3 4 years, I will be in settle into one company because as per my experience, I need to settle one or two company. Now,
Okay.
second question is which technologies or which cloud technologies I want to keep learning because I want to go into depth as per the development, as per the end-to-end things. I want to learn on those cloud technologies. Is it Azure, AWS, or Google Cloud? Even
Okay.
it's a development or security part also, I'm absolutely fine.
Okay.
And third one is my resume or my LinkedIn profile review. These three
Okay.
questions.
Got it. Got it. Got it.
Because
Got it. Let's.
just on the background, because 5 or 6 interview I gave, I almost answer all the questions and all the things. But unfortunately, when I heard from the HR that I'm not fit for the position, or they are saying it's like we are looking something, you're as per the resume, we are getting something.
Got it. Got it. See, I'll tell you one thing, and this is for all the experienced people. See, I also have problem like you. I have 11 years experience. I worked on various things, right? I started with support, then I did Java development for some time, Python, then Golang development, open source, then Red Hat. I have also done a lot of things. Now, it also becomes difficult for me when I attend interviews. What you need to do, it's a very, very simple trick. Whenever you are attending interview, talk what interviewers expect. That is basically go through job description before day and prepare very well for the job description. For example, okay, if the job description has open shift and let's say you have lot of experience on maybe Ansible, okay, what interviewer expects is interviewer wants you to talk about OpenShift more. Okay. So, what you need to do rather than talking more about your past experience, the achievements that you have in other fields, talk about OpenShift more. Right. I'm just giving a OpenShift as an example. What you need to do is that go through the job description, make sure before day you prepare your answers according to the job description. And whenever you are talking, right? See, whatever you're talking might be 100% right. That's why you feel that, okay, I gave best in the interview. But what interviewers want, they want a person who fits right for their current position. You might be excellent, but if you don't fit in the current position, that's of no use. That's why you keep often listening from the HRs that, okay, you are not the right fit for the profile. What does that mean? You're good, but you're not good for the particular profile. Even I face the same issue because I have experience in various things. If I keep talking about various things, right, that wouldn't make sense to the interviewer. Okay, this guy is good, but okay, let's go for someone else. Let's see someone who is exactly fit for our job role. So you might be great, that person might be average, but if the average person is talking about the job description, he'll get hired. Okay, this is the first one. Then the second question that you have, third question was about your LinkedIn and this thing. What was the second one? Sorry.
Second one was like which cloud technology I will stick
Oh
and I
yeah,
will
yeah,
go
yeah, yeah, yeah,
as
yeah.
per the market, future market.
Okay, okay. See, when it comes to the cloud technology, right? Because you are in India, AWS and Azure are good, but especially when it comes to the interviews, I always prefer AWS because most of the companies. See, in fact, there was a survey recently which was talking about Kubernetes, and in that survey, it is observed that more than 70% of existing Kubernetes clusters on cloud are actually using EKS. It's an unbelievable number, right? More than 70% of clusters. You have Azure, you have Google Cloud Platform, you have Oracle, you have DigitalOcean, Rancher, OpenShift. If you consider all of that, still 70% is by EKS. So every cloud platform is good. Azure is good, GCP is good. They have a lot of services that are better than AWS, but we are preparing for interviews, right? When you focus on interviews, why don't you focus on something which has the large market share? So that's why I would prefer AWS for interviews,
Okay.
right?
Okay. As a infrastructure guy, can I move myself to DevOps? Means, is it possible? Because I don't have any knowledge on coding.
No, actually, you should move to DevOps. I'll give you a couple of reasons. One, okay, going ahead, a particular skill might not exist. If you're only talking about infrastructure, okay, if you're only talking about networking, if you're only talking about Linux administration, going ahead, you'll find it difficult. The reason why I recommend you to go to DevOps because it will be easy for you in future to transition to MLOps, or that will be a very gradual transition, and that transition will actually go in sync as every company starts adopting machine learning, as every company starts adopting LLMs, AI. What happens? Developers will start transitioning to AI developer roles. Similarly, DevOps engineers will transition to MLOps, or DevOps engineers will transition to AI assisted DevOps, right? So it will be a very smooth transition. For now, focus on DevOps. Directly don't focus to MLOps, or directly don't focus to something in AI, but make a neat transition. That will be your DevOps engineer role. Then gradually you'll progress to different roles.
But as a infrastructure guy, can anyone learn coding?
You don't need coding for DevOps. Okay. What
Okay.
you need is scripting knowledge. That is shell scripting, that is Python scripting, which is very easy. Development will be difficult, but scripting is not at all difficult, right? You can
Okay.
do it. Just follow our roadmap. Lot of people have done it.
Yeah,
People
I'm
have done
I'm
it from non-native.
I'm blindly following your whatever the videos you are publishing. Yeah.
Perfect, perfect. Yeah. Okay, now let's see your profile. Let's see if you have optimized it well to get
Yeah.
to get the interview calls. Yeah, without learning DevOps, you should not go to cloud. This is for everyone. Please, without learning DevOps, don't go to cloud because you will not understand anything there. It's not about clicking buttons, right? It's about understanding what service is doing, how that service is managed by the cloud provider.
Are you able to see my screen?
Yeah, yeah, I can see. Can you share your profile?
A LinkedIn or resume first?
LinkedIn. Let's go to LinkedIn.
Okay.
Okay, great. So you have LinkedIn Premium. Okay, nice to
Yes.
know. Infra cloud architect specializing in cloud. Instead say DevOps architect, right? Why you want to say infra cloud architect? Just say
So
DevOps architect.
DevOps include also this one, Abhishek, that infra cloud also.
Yeah, Infrastructure is managed by DevOps engineers. Who else will manage your infrastructure? So just say DevOps architect or cloud architect. Cloud architect is also good. Don't mention infra cloud architect. Okay.
Okay.
See, end of the day, a lot of people have this question: can I say cloud architect or can I say DevOps architect? Who is taking care of cloud? You have to be a DevOps engineer, right? Because no company, I mean, it's very bad to say no company, but I would say 90% of companies today are on public cloud. So if you are a DevOps engineer, end of the day, your infrastructure is on cloud. So you are taking care of cloud. So you can mention cloud architect. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
AWS, Azure, GCP is very fine. Citrix, you can just remove it from there because cloud architect, AWS, Azure, GCP is good. Okay.
Okay.
Designing, implementing, migrating, and administration, Citrix and virtualization specialist. Okay, that's fine. Delivery and transition leader. Okay, nice. Open to work, you already have it.
Yeah.
Again, there also you need to change. Just DevOps or cloud architect. Okay.
Yes, I will modify accordingly that.
Yeah. Great. See, one thing you should understand, look at your analytics. 53 profile views is very, very less. Why do you think the profile views are less? Because of the same reason. Okay. Nobody might be searching for infrastructure architect. No recruiter might be searching or nobody is looking for infrastructure architect. That's why your analytics are less. That's it. Even post impressions or search appearances, you can improve that by making these small changes. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Further scroll it down. I want to see the about section.
So here I will remove everything. I will mention only cloud architect, right?
Just mention cloud architect, AWS, Azure, GCP. You can just say designing and implementing architecture. That is also fine.
Okay.
Okay.
Fine.
Good. About section, you have a lot of things there, but okay, you have a lot of things there, but what is important? You should have the keywords. End of the day, if I have to come to your profile, okay, reading the about section is second. What is the first thing? I have to find your profile, right? If I am a recruiter, first I have to find your profile. Only then I'll read the about section. But how will I find your profile? If you have the keywords in the about section. What are the keywords? Kubernetes, Terraform, Git, right? These are the keywords. Roughly, if I see your about section, I don't see Kubernetes.
Yes.
Right? If you don't have keywords in the about section, there is no way your profile comes in the search appearance. Just highlight the main ones like Kubernetes, observability, Prometheus, Grafana, Git, Terraform. I should see these things. Write the points. Okay, you have written about AWS, Azure, GCP, but write the ones that are important. Even in the top skills. Even in your top skills, I should see Kubernetes, Terraform, these kind of ones. Okay?
Okay.
You must have worked for various companies because you have 14 years experience. Update description of every company. Like if you scroll down, you will find the job description section. Experience section, my bad. Okay. Even in the experience section, in every experience that you have mentioned, okay, you have populated a lot of details, but make sure you populate the right ones. That's it. Then your profile, step by step. Okay. How will I know? You might ask, but Abhishek, how will I know that I have updated the right things? Statistics. Okay, numbers. Make some changes. After 1 week, look at the search appearances. From 22, if it is coming to 100, that means you are doing something better. Then from 100, if it is coming to 1000, then you are doing much better. Every day keep updating, okay? Or every week keep updating and look at the analytics. You don't even need me, okay? You don't even have to ask me to, or you don't have to look for someone on TopMate to review a profile. Just look at the analytics. If the analytics are going high, if your search appearances are going high, that means you are doing something good with your profile. If it is not doing well, that means you have to work on your profile. That's it. Very simple logic.
Okay.
Right?
Understood.
Great. Okay, I think this is a good feedback. You can start with these steps first. Then we can like I told you, then look at your analytics and you can improve by yourself.
Okay.
Right?
Now, fine, understood. Any more session on LinkedIn? So I will move to resume.
No, I think even when we look at your resume, it will be the same thing. First, work on your LinkedIn, then in
Okay.
the resume,
Okay.
adopt the same things. Make the same changes
Okay.
to your resume. Okay?
Okay. Okay. Fine. Okay.
Perfect.
Fine.
Thanks.
And
Thanks.
last
Thanks.
thing, Abhishek, just last thing. Last thing. Hello.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah. So Abhishek, that you have a one site, right, where I can book a 1 to 1 30 minutes, 40 minute session. So
Uh,
last
okay, go
one
ahead.
month I was trying. I was sending emails also, so but I'm not getting replies. So once you free, just reply. So accordingly, I
Sure.
can book. Huh?
Sure. Thanks.
Okay.
Thanks, Rajiv. Okay?
Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank
nice.
you. Thank you. Thanks for your time, Abhishek.
No problem. Yeah. Okay. Hi, Karthik. Hello.
Hello, sir.
Hey, hi, Karthik.
Sir, you are not
Uh,
audible. I think I have to rejoin.
we can hear you very loud and clear. You want to rejoin? Do you want to rejoin? Let me remove and let's try it again. Can you hear? You are mute this time. We can see you mute.
Sir, actually, your voice is not audible, so I can't hear you. But I can share my screen and to review my CV directly if it is okay.
But if you can't hear me, I don't know how it works. But yeah, you can share your resume.
Live.
Okay. Increase the font size. Okay. We can see your resume. Okay. I think this is going to be difficult. Probably you can try one more time. For now, I'll remove you. We'll come back to you. Let's see. Hey Anirudh, you're back. Are you on your laptop this time? You're mute actually. Can you unmute?
Yeah. Hi, sir. Thank you.
Hi.
I'm back with my laptop.
Okay.
1 second, I will share my profile to you, my LinkedIn
Okay.
profile.
Okay.
Just a second.
Yeah, please. Before that, like while you're sharing your screen, just talk about your experience so
Yeah,
that.
yeah, sir. I started my career as a cloud engineer in a startup company. It
Mhm.
is last year March I started. Within 3 to 4 months, I transitioned into DevOps engineer in the same company.
Okay.
And we don't have any live projects, any real-time projects in our company. So I have worked on demo projects to learn tools and how it is going on, like Docker, Kubernetes, Jenkins, and how the process will be going on.
Mm-hmm.
So I've learned these things in my uh, period of time in my company. Still I'm a bench itself. So now I want to change to another company. I want to switch to another company.
Hmm.
So I have optimized my LinkedIn and my resume by seeing some videos on YouTube and some videos which I am in your channel, which I've got based on those. Still,
Okay.
I didn't get any calls from any company.
Okay. Yeah, you can share your LinkedIn profile. Let's see. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Can I get cloud job without any certification? You can definitely get jobs without any certification. It's not mandatory, but it's kind of good to have. So if you cannot afford certification, that's totally fine. At least go for good projects on the cloud and add that projects to your LinkedIn and also your GitHub profile. So it's not mandatory. Yeah. Go
Is
ahead.
my screen visible?
Yeah, I can see your resume, but before that, I want to see your LinkedIn because
Okay.
nobody will come to your resume first, right? People will look at your LinkedIn or Naukri.
Okay.
Anything
Just a
is fine.
second.
LinkedIn or Naukri, anything is fine.
Just a second. Yeah.
Okay. Somebody was asking, can I share my screen? No, all that you need to do is join this link first. Right? There are people waiting. Only once those people quit, you can actually join. Okay.
Is my
We
screen
are right.
visible?
Let's see. No, still I see your resume. Probably you are sharing your resume only.
One
Try
second.
to do
One
it
second.
again. Yeah,
Second.
please. Thanks everyone for wishing 500K. Yeah, thank you so much.
I think it is visible right now.
Let's see. Okay. Yeah, we can
Yeah.
see. Let's quickly see open to work, DevOps engineer, cloud, Azure AWS CI/CD, Docker, Jenkins, AZ900, automation enthusiast. Currently working. Okay. Till now it's good. Open to work. Tell non-profits you are interested. Okay, that's fine. What is that? Suggested for you. Draft a post. Okay, that's okay. See, look at your profile impressions. There are only five, which is not at all good. Seven such appearances, again, which is not at all good. Okay.
Okay.
100 profile views. Even if I look at the complete analytics, I'm pretty sure
Can you
the
open
number
it?
will be low. No, that's okay. You don't have to show
Okay.
that.
Okay.
But seven search appearances, five post impressions. Post impressions, it might be you're not at all posting.
Yeah.
But search appearances, they actually go hand in hand. Okay, if you have
Okay.
more posts, your search appearances will automatically come up. But still, even if you're not posting, that seven search appearances is very less number. Okay.
Okay.
Can you scroll, at least open the about section?
Yeah. 1 second.
Okay. 1 year experience in DevOps, infrastructure as code, expertise in CI/CD, proficient, Docker. Yeah. Okay. I can see all the keywords, but it's more like a resume thing.
Yeah.
Uh, Instead of, okay, at least it's good. It's not bad, but what I would say is add things more, like instead of these one-liners, right? It looks
Okay.
like you copied these things from your resume.
Okay.
Instead
Okay.
add
Understand.
little bit about your day-to-day tasks. Like instead of saying experience in Kubernetes, proficient in Git, at least
Yeah.
try to add 1 2 lines which make more sense. But
Okay.
it's decent. I wouldn't say it's bad. Okay,
Yeah.
scroll down. Scroll down. In your top skills, you have DevOps. This is also okay. You have featured your resume. Okay, that's
Yeah.
fine. Okay, that's okay. Uh, Go to your current job. Exactly. Here. Open the about section.
Okay.
Okay. You can add more there. Created a YouTube channel. Uh, doesn't make sense for the interview, but it's okay.
Okay.
Created a YouTube clone. My bad. Very bad. Okay. What you
Okay.
added
Okay.
is created a YouTube clone in the Azure web app. See, I'll tell you one thing. This is a complete red flag. Okay. As a DevOps engineer, why will you create a YouTube clone? You will create a YouTube clone if you are learning DevOps. Do you want to tell the interviewer that you are learning DevOps, or you want to tell the interviewer that you already have experience in DevOps? You want to tell the interviewer that you already have experience in DevOps, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Instead of saying created a YouTube clone, just say have experience working with Azure web application, reducing the buffer time by 50%. Don't talk about that clone applications or don't talk about demo applications. They are
Okay. Okay.
only for you to learn.
Yeah.
Okay. Experienced people should never put that. It's a red flag.
Okay. Okay.
Who should have that? People like freshers. Freshers can have that created a YouTube clone application. Your
Yeah. Okay.
about section is good, but your experience section is not at all good. You should
Okay. Okay.
work on this particular section, add more points like working with Azure Web App, say you working with Maven, working with Kubernetes, working with Terraform. Okay, this is one thing where you can significantly improve.
Okay.
Now let's see your resume. But first of
Yeah.
all, you should improve your profile views. But still, let's go and see your resume.
Sure.
Okay. Deployed a YouTube clone. Again, you should change that, right?
Okay. Sure.
See,
Okay.
I
Okay.
hope you
Understand.
I hope you understood, right? Why I'm saying you
Yeah.
should
Yeah.
not have YouTube clone. Like,
Yeah.
why will a company ask you to deploy a YouTube clone? Instead, company will ask you to deploy their microservices. Company will
Yeah.
ask you to deploy their serverless application, right?
Okay. Okay. Understand.
Okay, change that things.
Okay.
I want to see more of real time experience. You added numbers in every point. You added number.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's good. It's okay even if you add it in every line, but add more real time, not demo applications and all. Even in the projects, I see static e-commerce application. That
Yeah.
is also not good. What will be
Okay.
your projects? See, your projects are static e-commerce, YouTube clone application, CI/CD for Java Maven application, GitOps automation using Argo CD. This itself tells me that you are learning from YouTube, but you're not doing anything in your company. It's okay.
Yeah.
It's totally fine. But it's a red flag for the interviewers. Interviewers want someone who are already working in organization. So change these points to real time. This is why you are
Okay.
not getting opportunities. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
Thanks, thanks. Great,
Uh,
great, Sagar.
I have one more question.
Let's give opportunity to others,
Okay.
right?
Okay. Okay.
A
Thank
lot
you.
of
Thank you.
people.
It is
No problem.
very crucial to me. Thank you. Thank you
Great,
for
great.
opportunity.
Yeah. Okay, so that's very important. A lot of you can also improve that from that point. Don't add demo applications to your resume. If you are trying as an experienced engineer, you should add real-time points. You might have done it in real time, you might not have done it in real time, but you should add that in the resume. Okay. Can I get the Discord link? No. It's only for members. What we are trying to do is we are trying to build a community for members only. Only Discord is for members only. All the videos you can actually see, but we are trying to restrict people for one-on-one support. One-on-one support doesn't mean we will help you with your real-time tasks, but we will help you with your questions. One of our team members will try to help you if you are blocked while learning. So for that, we are building a strong community, people who are part of Discord server, people who are members of the channel. Okay. Let's see who else is here. Jake is here. Hey, hi Jake.
Hello,
Hello.
Abhishek.
Hello.
Actually, I'm sharing the screen.
Yeah, but before that, can you just talk about your experience? What exactly you're doing right now?
I am 2024 graduate and currently looking for the opportunities in cloud and DevOps.
Okay, perfect. So you have kind of your 2024 pass out. You have been looking for opportunities for almost a year, and like you are a fresher basically, right?
Yes, Abhishek.
Okay, great. We'll start with your LinkedIn first. If you're a fresher, we'll go to your resume next. Either
Okay.
LinkedIn or Naukri, wherever you're active, please share that profile. Okay. Meanwhile, somebody is asking if you are a fresher, then you can add clone project or not. Yes, you can definitely add. If you are a fresher, you can, yes.
Is it visible?
You're still sharing your resume. Please try
Yeah,
to share.
this is
Okay.
LinkedIn.
This is LinkedIn. Can you please increase the font size? It's not that clear. Okay, perfect. Hi, Jayant. Nice. Open to work. DevOps engineer, cloud engineer, AWS, shell scripting, deployment monitoring. Okay. Add your GitHub. As you can see the suggestion there, please add your GitHub. As a fresher, it makes a lot of sense because when you're talking about projects, interviewers they like if you show the projects on GitHub. Okay, so add something, whatever you're learning, add that to your GitHub because GitHub is your new resume. Add that things to your GitHub and add your GitHub link there, or add any projects from your GitHub there. Okay. Again, can you increase the font size? It's too small to see. Okay. Yeah, you can stop there. What does it say? Passionate about building scalable, automated, secure infrastructure. I specialize in DevOps and cloud. Okay. Have hands-on experience. Okay, a lot of you are actually copying your resume here. It is okay, not bad. Cloud infrastructure, key skills, CI/CD, cloud optimization, multi-tier. This is okay. As a fresher, you have a lot of things. Okay, scroll down. Let's connect. No, don't decrease the font size. Let's keep the same. Okay. You added let's connect, but where do we connect? I don't see any link there.
Okay, I
Okay,
will
your
add.
last line. Yeah, your last sentence is let's connect, but we don't see anything. Okay, scroll down, please. 20 search appearances is not great. Please improve. Okay, you have highlighted your offer letter. Please don't do
Actually, I
that.
have done some internship previously, but it is not DevOps, it is front end.
Okay, but you should not be saying offer letter or something because it feels like you have an offer letter. Okay, don't say it as offer letter. Probably work experience. You can just call it as work experience. Okay. Perfect. Scroll down. Open for opportunities. Kubernetes challenge 6x50. Okay, great. Scroll down further. See, this is one thing you should not do it. If you are looking for DevOps opportunities, why do you say full stack developer? Okay, you might have worked as a full stack developer. I totally understand. Okay, say associate software engineer or say intern. See, if that is your internship experience, just say intern. Don't say full stack developer. Because why are you switching from a full stack developer to DevOps? If your internship is in full stack development, obviously people will think that okay, let him search for full stack developer roles. If you just want to be neutral, just say intern. Okay? Intern 4 months of experience. That's totally fine because you have done your internship in 2023. Almost 2 years back, you have done internship. Just keep it intern, and in the experience section, can you please click on see more? In the experience, see more. Have you added anything related to DevOps here? Implemented,
sir.
maintained applications? No. So why should I hire you as a DevOps engineer? Okay, again you might say, but Abhishek, this is a genuine experience. I have genuinely worked as an intern for 4 months, and this is what I have done. That's okay. You are being very genuine. That is perfectly fine. But add some points related to DevOps as well, because your profile has to come up in the search appearances. Your profile has to come up with respect to DevOps. People, you want to get hired as a DevOps engineer, right? So add some points as a DevOps engineer. Whatever you're learning from YouTube, whatever you're learning from other sources. So change your experience as intern and add few points related to DevOps. Now, you have 2 years of career gap. Why don't you add some freelancing experience? You can create profiles in Fiverr, Upwork, freelancer.com. Try for 2 days, try for 3 days, try for 10 days. Okay? You will definitely get one opportunity. Getting one opportunity is not difficult. Get one opportunity from freelancing websites, add that experience in the experience section, then you will not have 2 years career gap, right? You can tell the interviewers, I'm currently working as a freelancer, so I don't have a career gap. Got it?
Actually, this internship is a summer internship between the third year and fourth year, so that's why it
That's
is
okay.
23.
Okay. My bad. Sorry. So Then that means you have 1 year career gap.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then try some freelancing and say that you are working as a freelancer so that you don't have to say that you have 1 year career gap. Got it, right? What I'm trying to say.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, other things are good. Okay. Rest. I like your profile, but add few points related to few points related to DevOps. Whatever projects you are practicing, add that to your GitHub and showcase your GitHub profile. Automatically, your search appearances will go high.
Sorry.
Oh, that's okay. You got it right. Whatever I'm trying to
Yes.
say.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do the same thing with your resume as well. I'm sure you must have the same things in your resume.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's see very quickly. Kubernetes application deployment on AWS EKS, end-to-end CI/CD pipeline, implement a two-tier. Your resume is good. Your resume, see here you have DevOps training. In this section, you have
Actually,
mentioned.
it is
Okay.
like a tech course, sir. It is.
Anything
So
is
this,
fine. Anything is fine. At least when I look at your resume, I feel that you are a DevOps engineer, or I feel that you are actually looking for DevOps opportunities. Your resume is very good. Try to replicate the same things in your LinkedIn profile. Because, see, who can see your resume? People who come to your LinkedIn profile can see your resume. People who look at your Naukri can look at your LinkedIn profile. Resume. You are doing great with resume, but do the same things with your LinkedIn profile. That way you can increase the search appearances. Then people will look at your resume and people will give you a call. Got it?
yes, sir.
Yeah, great. It's actually good. Just few changes and you will do good.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Okay, so that was a fresher profile. Actually, he has done good, but only thing is that resume is 100% perfect, but LinkedIn can be improved a lot. Okay. Arjun and Ramaswamy. Hi.
Yeah, hi Abhishek, can you hear me?
Yeah. I can
How are
hear
you?
you. I'm good. Actually, it's too late, I guess, right?
Yeah, no problem, that's okay.
Okay,
Um,
go ahead.
okay, while I share my screen, I'll
Go ahead.
explain
Meanwhile,
my
I'll take this
experience as
question.
well.
Hey, I'm in my fourth year. I have very less CG, no no DSA. I know Next.js development if campus placement don't work. Me should switch learning to cloud and target campus as cloud dev. What is the learning curve? Yeah, so learning curve, it will take 3 to 4 months for you, Dipanshu. So, if you, I would say focus on one thing. At least start learning cloud from today. It will take 3 to 4 months. Give 2025 DevOps roadmap a try. Understand what is part of DevOps engineering. Understand what is part of cloud. Yeah, that's all. It will take 3 to 4 months for you. Okay. Uh, yeah, Arjunan. Can you introduce
So,
yourself? Like, what is your current experience?
I have like close to 5 years of experience, but completely into IT technical support, into networking. For past 1 years, I have been practicing as a DevOps tools and projects. So I just need your help in looking at my LinkedIn and resume profile, and I have a couple of questions. So one is, so what kind of projects that can highlight my profile as a DevOps engineer? That is my first question. Then the second question would be, like what kind of skill set are the recruiters are focusing? Are they interested as a DevOps engineer if they want to hire me? Then that's my second question. To a DevOps job, I'm a beginner. So, what kind of changes that I should do to understand the complete infrastructure? That's all.
Okay. Nice. So you said from last 1 year you're focusing on DevOps, right? That's what you
Yeah,
said.
that's right. Before that, into complete networking.
Okay, great. See, one thing I'll tell you. Uh, so you have 4 years experience in networking, and from last 1 year you started focusing on DevOps. Now you asked about project. Actually, you should not talk about uh, DevOps projects, like the kind of things that you're learning from YouTube and all. What you need to do is that whichever is the client that you're currently working for, or if you're working for a product based company, the same product that you're working for, you should highlight that you're working as a DevOps engineer for that particular product or for that particular client. Don't say CI/CD as your project, because in real time, CI/CD cannot be your project. Don't say deploying a 3-tier application, because in real time that cannot be your project. What can be your project? The client that you're working for. Let's say I'm working for Amazon, where I'm working for payments and transactions team. So I'm a DevOps engineer for payments and transactions. I should not be talking about deploying a microservice, creating a Kubernetes cluster. That cannot be a project. You will find YouTube videos with that project names because they are focused on freshers, they are focused on experienced people learning DevOps. But when it comes to interviews, you have to highlight that, okay, you are already working as a DevOps engineer. Let's see your LinkedIn, then we will understand.
Just one thing. I don't have like a professional experience as a DevOps engineer. It
Doesn't
was with
matter.
complete networking. So
That's okay. That's okay. See, you told me, that's why I know. If you tell me that, Abhishek, I have 5 years experience as a DevOps engineer, I will trust you, but I'll ask you some questions. That's it. Okay.
okay.
That is how interviews work. Do you think everyone who is switching as a full stack developer, do you think everyone is a full stack developer? No. Some of them are back-end developers, some of them are full front-end developers, but they want to get into full stack, so they will say that in my current company, I'm a full stack developer.
Yeah, right. So
Even,
that's the same thing that I did. So that's
yeah,
why maybe they will be expecting a professional experience from me. So I got
it's okay.
rejected in few of my interviews because of that. They say you don't have a professional experience.
See, it's a learning curve. It's a learning curve. Initially, you will get rejected, quite obviously, because they'll ask questions as an experienced engineer, right? It's okay. It will take time. See, LTM entry, that's okay. 152, that doesn't matter. Network and DevOps engineer, just change that to DevOps engineer. Okay. You are being little hesitant there. You changed it. You added network and DevOps engineer. You don't have to be hesitant. Just say,
Okay, is it so visible?
that's okay. Just say DevOps engineer. Okay.
Yeah.
See, why are you learning? Okay. Why are you learning from YouTube channel? Because you want to transition to a DevOps engineer, right? Right?
Yeah, right.
End of the day, you know that you are a DevOps engineer, network engineer, and you know that you want to get into DevOps. So don't be hesitant. Everyone here, literally everyone here, are trying to transition to DevOps. Some of them are freshers, some of them are non-IT, some of them are maybe network engineers. So it's okay. It's totally fine. Everything is fair. So just say that DevOps engineer, LTM entry, open to DevOps engineer roles, great. Also, you can be open to multiple roles: DevOps engineer, cloud engineer. Okay, you can you can change that, like open to multiple roles.
Okay. Talking about analytics, my profile views are very less, I guess.
See, the reason is that you have to be little more active. Okay. See, the way you are being active on social media, right? Everyone is active on social media these days. But at least during your job change phase, try to be active on LinkedIn. After that, it's totally up to you. But at least during your job change phase, try to be little more active on LinkedIn, because if someone has to see your profile, then your profile has to pop up. Otherwise, there is no point of having LinkedIn profile itself. Just be active on Naukri. Try from Naukri. Just creating a LinkedIn profile doesn't make any sense, right? You have a LinkedIn profile out of 10 million profiles. Okay. So it's a dead profile if you're not being active. Okay. In the about section, you say deployed at Microsoft, leverages expertise in network diagnostics, cloud native automation to resolve complex issues. See, everything is about networking. Again, you have hesitated to, first you have highlighted networking things, then you have highlighted DevOps related things.
Okay.
That's totally fine. See, add points related to Kubernetes, add points related to Terraform. Along with that, add points related to networking.
Okay.
What you're trying to convey through your profile is that I have more experience as a network engineer. I have very less experience as DevOps engineer. Now I am trying to transition to a full-time DevOps engineer. That is what your profile is hinting me.
Okay.
It doesn't have to be like that.
Okay.
Okay?
Got it.
When I look
Yeah.
at your profile, it has to hint me that you are a DevOps engineer, but you are strong in networking. It should not be that you are a networking engineer, but you have little experience in DevOps. It should be other way around. Got
Okay.
it?
Got it.
If someone is searching for Kubernetes, your profile will not even pop up because there is nothing about Kubernetes in your profile. Maybe somewhere, it might be somewhere, but at least not on the important pieces.
Both section. Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, work on your profile. We don't have to see further. At
Okay.
least even if I look at the top things, you have to change a lot. Don't hesitate while building your profile. Build your profile as a DevOps engineer.
Okay.
Same is with your
So
resume. Same is with your
yeah.
resume. If you have added any projects, like we can quickly see if you have your resume. If not, we can ignore.
Okay. 1 second. Yeah, it should be visible for you now.
Let me quickly see. Okay, that is fine. Scroll down. Wait. What is that? In the certifications, you added build CI/CD pipeline. Certification section you have added. Like I can see the certification section, which says
Yeah,
okay
it's
DevOps
from
training. Oh no
simply
no, don't
learn.
add that. Completely
Okay.
remove that section. Okay,
Okay.
nobody is
Okay.
going like when you add that. That itself tells me that you don't have any experience. I mean, I'm not talking in a negative way, but I'm
I
just telling you,
understand.
right?
Okay.
I'm just telling you that okay, this will tell me that Arjunan has learned DevOps from Simply Learn. I don't want to give opportunity to someone in my company who learned DevOps from somewhere but don't have real-time DevOps experience. You might have learned things perfectly fine, but I will feel that okay, why should I give you an opportunity? There are so many people out there who have real-time DevOps experience. Let me prioritize them. Okay, if I don't
Okay.
find anyone, I'll come back to you. Your profile
Okay.
should not be in that way. Okay, you should not be an option, but you should actually be in the top list for the interviewers. So
Okay.
remove that section, add real-time experience.
Okay. Got it.
Again, this is a point for everyone. Don't say that you learned DevOps from Abhishek channel. Don't say that you have learned DevOps from XYZ Institute. It's okay. Like you are being honest, but in interviews, people don't like honesty. Yeah, change that section first. Rest all
Okay.
it's okay. Whatever you added, but update your LinkedIn, update your resume to highlight as a
Okay.
DevOps engineer. Remove that certification section. Everything will be
Okay.
fine.
Okay.
Okay.
One last question. So can I add like any kind of projects that I did in LinkedIn, or simply having my experience only? That's all.
No, don't add anything that you have learned from LinkedIn because you are an experienced person, right? Uh,
Okay.
Whatever you're learning, let's say you learned three-tier architecture deployment from Abhishek's channel. Let's say
Okay.
that. Okay.
Okay.
Put it in a way that talks about real-time experience. You can say that in the current company, I worked as DevOps engineer where I have experience dealing with three-tier architecture applications. Right?
Okay.
I have deployed the three-tier architecture applications to Kubernetes for my client. It should be that way. It shouldn't be that
Okay.
learned how to deploy a three-tier YouTube clone application on Kubernetes from XYZ source. It should not be like that.
Okay. Okay.
Okay?
Got it. Yeah. Okay.
Great.
Yeah.
Great. Thanks. It was nice talking to
Thank you
you.
so much.
Bye.
And
Sorry. Sorry that I cut you off. My bad. Pratik. Hi.
Hello, Abhishek. Am I visible and audible?
Yep. Go ahead. Talk about your
Um,
experience and then let's see.
yeah, sure. Yeah, myself Pratik Raundade. So currently, I am just graduated last month.
Uh-huh.
While in my final semester, I have done one internship and one freelance for like a PhD project in Germany. So I work as a deployed their Java web application for in healthcare center. So I will share my LinkedIn.
Okay, so just to repeat, you are a fresher, and
Yeah.
you
Yeah.
have some experience.
Actually, I'm just fresher, like graduated last month. But
Perfect.
during my graduation, I have done one web development internship and one DevOps internship.
Perfect. Okay. So you haven't gotten any opportunity on campus. You are looking for
Uh,
opportunities outside.
yeah, actually, I got one opportunity for full time. Basically,
Yeah.
currently I am in a training period, and after 1 month, I will be switching as a full time cloud DevOps engineer.
So you already have an opportunity.
Yeah, I have opportunity, but actually, I want to get some better opportunities. So, but that's why.
Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Am
So
I?
at least it's good that as a fresher you have an opportunity, right?
Yeah,
At
yeah,
least it's good. Okay. Everyone wants better. So let's look at your profile. That's not
yeah,
bad. We all work to get something better, right? So nice.
yeah.
Okay.
So, visible my LinkedIn profile.
Yeah, I can see your profile.
Yeah.
Uh, how did you get that opportunity? Was that from your college or was that outside with your DevOps experience? How did you get it?
Actually, I got it through LinkedIn. Basically, the company posted it on their company page. So while searching the job opportunity, like I search it through DevOps intern, and then select the 24-hour section, and through that I got it to get
Very good.
into that. After
Very
that,
good.
I sent request to the people who are recently active in that company. So
Nice.
throughout that, I got like a contact with the CEO itself. So throughout that, we talk, and like he liked my experience and all that thing about the tools I have involved in learning. So
Very nice.
he go through my resume, and he directly invite me for a interview round. Then
Very
after that,
nice.
after 45 minutes of interview round, like I cleared 90% like questions I have answered.
Hmm.
So at the same time, he asked for the HR round, and like we discuss about everything. And from
Very nice.
1 July, I joined the company as a trainee DevOps engineer. After 2 months, it will be like a full time opportunity.
Very nice. I mean, the reason why I asked this question, a lot of people keep asking, like, can freshers get into DevOps? So I just thought of asking you this question. If you have good profile, if you are very active on LinkedIn, you can definitely get it. And Pratik has done it. Okay,
Yeah,
nice. Let's look at your profile.
sure.
Open to work, nice. Cloud DevOps enthusiast. Mm-hmm. Okay. See, you can already call yourself as a cloud DevOps intern. Why do you say
Yeah.
enthusiast? Because you
Oh,
already have some experience, right?
yeah, yeah.
Okay.
I will update.
Okay.
So here is
Uh,
about session.
yeah, just a bit. Hmm. Okay, nice.
Should I move?
Yeah, yeah, please. Go ahead, go ahead.
Actually, I have secured one design patent last month for my final year project. So I have featured that thing and featured my
Very
resume.
nice. Very nice, very nice. Yeah. Scroll down.
Here's some recent post.
Very good. You are posting on updated things. Nice.
Yeah, and here is experience. I have not added that training period till now. When I will get full time, I will add here to that thing.
Very good. I see that you have added cloud web intern. Just open that and also freelance. You see, you can add more points here,
Uh,
right?
okay, sure. I will. I will.
See, you have added about Apache server. You have added about MySQL database.
Yes.
What I keep telling is that add things that are more relevant. Okay, whatever you have done is
Okay.
great, but add things that are relevant for your cloud. Add points related to AWS, add points related to Kubernetes, add points related to Terraform. So that, okay, I will feel that as a cloud web intern, he has done something which is relevant in the market, right? You have you have option to add more points there. You have added only 4 points.
Sure, sure.
Okay,
I actually they are using Apache Tomcat for their application deployment.
that's okay.
Yeah, so that's why I am not included Kubernetes here because I use Tomcat for deployments.
I understand, but it will be better for your interviews also, right?
Sure,
It will be better for interaction. When you say that you have worked on latest skills in your internship, people will be like, okay, he already has some experience. Okay.
okay, okay.
Uh,
We'll add that.
Again, cloud and DevOps intern, there also you can add some points. You just added
Sure,
2 points.
sure,
I'm
sure.
sure in 3 months of experience, you might have worked on various things. So add more points.
Okay, okay. We'll sure. Here is some
Rest your
basic.
profile is good. Rest your profile is very good because you have working experience. You have you have some internship options. So all is good.
This is like basically skill section, and this is
Okay.
like I have done patent so, and here is a honor and rewards, and here is basically.
No, no, everything is fine. Only thing that you can improve, just change your profile instead of enthusiast, just change it to cloud intern, and
Sure,
then in the sections where you are working, right? The thing is that you are currently working. They try to add more points. Okay,
sure, sure. I will add. Can you just take a 2 minutes and review my resume?
sure. But I'm sure you will have same feedback on the resume as well. But yeah, let's see. Let's see.
Yeah, let's just 2 minute like a follow up type.
Okay, okay. Yeah, let's see. See, the same thing. IT services, whatever you mentioned, experience in Fion IT services,
Yeah,
if I'm pronouncing it right. So
yeah, yeah,
there,
right.
okay, here you have done one good thing. You added Docker and Kubernetes. The thing that you haven't added to your LinkedIn, but you have added here, Docker and Kubernetes, right?
Yes.
One more thing is that when you're working for 2 to 3 months, your second and third experience thing, where you work from April to June, February to April, did you only
Yes.
work on those 2 to 3 points? You might have worked on multiple things, right?
Yeah,
Right?
work on multiple things.
At least add few more points so that you will have something to discuss as well. Whenever you
Hmm.
are in the interviewer will go through your resume and say that, oh, okay, you worked on these things. Tell me more about it. Or you will have something to interact with your interviewer. Okay?
Okay, okay. Actually, the thing is, as a fresher, we need to maintain it for a one page resume only. So
No, but you are
because
not
of
a fresher. You have some internship experience.
yeah,
So
yeah,
it's
yeah.
okay.
Sure, I have that experience.
See, what I would do in your case is that okay, as a fresher, let's say even you want to maintain a one-page resume. In your case, what I'll do is that I will reduce the project section. Rather, I'll increase my experience section. Because what are your projects? Three-tier web application deployment. Okay. You can even showcase that as part of your work experience. Is your projects important or is your work experience important? Your
Yeah, I
work
work in.
experience is very important, right? So if you're very concerned about that one page resume, reduce your education section, reduce your project section, focus more on your experience section. Okay,
Okay, sure, sure.
great. Yeah, it's good. It's good talking to you, and it's also good to see that freshers are getting into DevOps roles because a lot of people have this question. It's good that you are live today. Thanks, Pratik.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Thanks. Okay, we will do last 2 to 3 people because it's also too late now. Uh, Unfortunately, I do these live streams late. I know this is one complaint from all of you, but usually I try to do these live streams after my work hours. Yeah, I know this is a complaint. I'll try to improve. Hi, Paras.
Hey, hi. You can hear me, right?
Yeah, I can hear you. Great.
Okay.
Just talk about
I'll
your
just be
experience, then we will see about your LinkedIn and all.
sure. I'm having over about 4 years of experience.
Mm-hmm.
I joined as a developer, but yeah, later I've been transitioned into the DevOps. So basically, I'll just quickly share my screen if you're able to see.
How many years experience did you say?
3.8 exactly, like
Okay.
around 4.
Okay.
So this
Okay.
is my, yeah, this is
So
my LinkedIn.
your profile is that you are a developer and you're trying to transition to DevOps, right?
Yes, but yeah, actually, I did the internship. Like I have been getting the opportunity from my college into the internship, right? So there I have been learn the DevOps thing. So I feel
Yeah,
more
that's okay.
enthusiastic. Yeah,
That's okay.
that's
That's okay.
why I want to continue in the DevOps. So yeah.
Okay, so your profile says DevOps engineer at the rate SAP, Kubernetes certified, cloud native, CI/CD automation, Terraform and Helm, Docker. Okay, lots of things in the profile title. That's okay. Open to work. You said you are open to work for DevOps, cloud engineer role, SRE role as well. Great.
Mhm.
Okay. Can you scroll down? I'm a cloud DevOps engineer with a strong foundation in software development, deep passion. Okay. My journey into DevOps started, that's okay. DevOps, I enjoy developer platforms that are scalable, focus, seeking opportunities. See, this is one thing that I keep telling people.
Mhm.
In this section, in your about section, I enjoy building developer platforms that are scalable or active. Okay, that's fine. Actually, my bad. Okay, scroll down. You have featured posts, star of the team, DevOps, excellent recognition, appreciation from the manager. Very good. Very good. I like the feature section. Okay, I think you are also being little active. 1200 followers. Last time you posted was 8 months ago. This is something that you can improve. Okay. The thing is that you have posted something 8 months ago. See, I'll tell you one good point, and
Mhm.
this is something for everyone. Even though you posted 8 months ago, just scroll up and go to your search appearances and analytics section. This is very rare that you posted 8 months ago, but still you have 91 profile views and you have overall 302 search appearances. You posted 8 months back, but still you have 36 post impressions. What does that say? You have a good
So
profile. Okay.
might be the reason is because currently I'm serving the notice period and I'm currently applying for the
Maybe,
new
maybe, maybe.
opportunities. Yeah.
Maybe, but still your profile is getting recognized. Although you are not at all active on LinkedIn. Active in the sense, like what I mean to say, you are not at all posting or you are not doing any activities other than applying for jobs. Okay. So the
Mhm.
good side is that if you start posting something, then your profile impressions, your analytics will go significantly high because you have very good featured section, you have very good about section, you are working in a good company right now, right?
Yeah.
Scroll down. I want to see the this section. See, you can post more here. In the current DevOps engineer experience, DevOps engineer for 4 months, associate DevOps engineer for 3 years. Okay, one thing good that you have done is that you are showing most of your experience as a DevOps engineer, which is good. But what are you doing as a DevOps engineer? Okay, you are working on infrastructure scalability, platform reliability, security, incident management, SRE. Is that all what you're doing as a DevOps engineer? I want to see more. In the past 4 months, or even in the associate DevOps engineer role, add more
Mhm.
things. Okay, add more points that you do as day-to-day activities. For example, what I would put there, um, have experience deploying multiple microservices as serverless applications on AWS Lambda, or maybe I would say experience dealing with Kubernetes for multiple nodes. Like I would come up with a number. I would say have experience setting up multi-node Kubernetes cluster with scalability and maybe high availability in mind. Also have experience deploying multiple microservices there. It doesn't have to be deployment only. I'm just giving you some examples. Maybe
Yeah.
you can talk about CI/CD. Maybe you can talk about version control system, branching strategy, whatnot. You have just added one generic point there. Okay, But whenever people come to your profile, whenever people look at your current experience at SAP, maybe they want to see more in this particular section. Got it? What I'm trying to say?
Yeah, understood.
Yeah, great. But
I
otherwise,
just
yeah,
wanted
you're doing good. Just be little more active there, and also try
Mhm.
to add more things to your profile.
I just want to add one point. Like I did one internship which I have not added, and later I've been transitioned into the full-time opportunity. Right. If you
Okay.
see, I've joined this company in December 2021, but I have the prior experience also, but don't have the basically experience letter. So and that's why I've not added. But yeah, is it okay if we can like?
Yeah. Add anything, that's fine.
But later for the verification purposes, will it be a
No,
problem or?
no. Nobody is going to check. Like you are thinking too much. That's okay. You can add.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
So these are some of the certifications.
Hmm.
Mm,
No, your profile is good. See, the reason why you're still getting opportunity is like at least you're still seeing some profile impressions is that your profile is good. Only thing is that you have to improve in few places. Like try to be active and in your current job description, try to add more points which is relevant to the current market. Okay.
just one more thing, Abhishek. Actually, currently I'm applying for the DevOps role, right? More
Ah,
opportunities I'm getting for the SRE roles, not for the DevOps. I'm
that's
not sure
okay.
why, but yeah, is
No,
DevOps
I'll tell
like
you. See, I will
yeah?
tell you why you are getting more for the SRE roles. Just go to your current experience.
Yes,
Scroll down.
yeah.
See what have you added? Current experience. Let's focus on that. You have added infrastructure scalability. You have added platform readiness. You have added system security, right? You have added
Mhm.
observability, incident response. Quite obviously, you will get opportunities related to SRE because everything that you have mentioned there is completely focused on SRE. Because your profile has such appearances, that means people are viewing your profile, people are looking at your current experience, they are seeing that okay, this person has experience with reliability, availability, incident response. So although he mentioned DevOps engineer, his experience is related to SRE. That's why people are calling you for SRE roles, right?
Okay.
When
Okay.
you
Got it.
start adding DevOps related points there, you will start getting DevOps interview calls as well.
Okay. Yeah, I'm getting, but yeah, more I'm getting for this SRE role.
Yeah. See, one thing I'll tell you, like before we disconnect,
Mm-hmm.
lot of people don't get these opportunities. Lot of people, if they are not active on LinkedIn, they don't even see such appearances. Some of them see zero such appearances. You are actually seeing the search appearances, you are seeing good analytics. Don't waste that. At least from today, start being active, start updating your about section, start updating your current experience section so that you can improve the numbers. Okay.
Okay. Is it work like the same way like Naukri profile works? Like if we do updates into our like
kind of kind
okay.
of because end
Okay.
of the day it's just an algorithm, right?
Okay. I'll just quickly show you my resume also if you can just take a look. Uh,
Build scalable managed. Okay. Yeah, resume looks far better. Like what I would do is that I would take points from your resume because your resume points are very good and just copy that to the SAP lab section. In your current experience, I would even just copy the same section and your LinkedIn will do wonders. Okay.
okay. In the about
Yeah,
section you mean I should maintain this
exactly.
point.
In the
Okay.
current job experience section.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Cool. That's
Yeah.
nice. That's nice for us. Okay.
Thanks for the points. Yeah. Tell.
No problem. That's good. Yeah. Okay, we'll do one last. I think we have already done close to 2 hours. Wow. So let's do one last person's thing. I think let's try Karthik one more time. I think Karthik, you tried to connect before. There was some issue with your audio. You are not able to hear me. Let's see if you are able to hear me now.
Yes, sir. So, greetings to you. I am currently in fourth year of my BTech engineering. So, here is my resume. So, I would like to present it.
Okay, you are a fresher. First, I
Yes.
would like to see your LinkedIn profile rather than your resume.
Okay, sir. Sir, I have shared my screen.
Yeah, I can see that. Mm-hmm.
Yes, sir.
I see your this one. Okay, now we are getting to your profile.
Yes. 1 second, sir.
Okay. Meanwhile, Monique is asking, I'm working as a service management engineer in telecom sector with 2 years of experience. Can I switch to DevOps? Should I add some personal projects? No, don't add personal projects. Add projects related to your experience, like whatever you're doing as personal projects. Showcase that as real-time experience, right? Even though you're working as a service management engineer, by learning things, you can project yourself as a DevOps engineer with 2 years of experience, and whatever you're learning as personal projects, showcase them as day-to-day activities. That way, Monique, you can switch to DevOps engineering role. Okay. One more thing, like before I look into Karthik's profile, one thing that I want to say, uh, we have a dedicated Discord server. If you join as member of the channel, you get access to the Discord server. Once you join as member of the channel, you can see the membership tab. In the membership tab, you will find the link to the Discord server and you can join our Discord server. Okay, great. So Karthik, hi, welcome back. Microsoft certified AZ104. Okay, that's a good certification.
Yes.
And Docker, Kubernetes, Ansible, Terraform, Jenkins. View my portfolio. Okay, open to work as software engineer, site reliability engineer, DevOps engineer. It would be better if you add your GitHub, but right now you haven't added anything. Try to add your GitHub profile there. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Scroll down. Can you just enhance that about section?
Okay, sir.
No, no, no. I mean to say, my bad. Can you just open that about section, not enhance? Oh, you don't have anything there. No, you should add more points there. Okay, leveraging my engineering background, fascinating. No, if you want to see people getting to your profile, you should update the about section. Okay,
Yes, sir.
you should definitely work on it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, scroll down. You have added 2 DevOps projects. Okay, cool.
Yes,
You
sir.
must have learned. See, you must have learned things from there, right? Add those
Yes.
things to your about section. Okay, 2 good projects. You must have learned a lot of things from there. You must have learned CI/CD. You must have learned end-to-end deployment. You have learned about Gateway API, Argo CD. Add those points. Okay, scroll down.
Okay, sir.
Project section, end-to-end DevOps project. Okay, end-to-end pipeline Jenkins. This is nice. This is good actually. Okay, whatever you have added here, pick up the good points from here. Whatever you feel as highlights, take them and add to the about section. That's it. And also, like, 2 things. I have two feedback for you. One, update about section. Second, if you have done these projects, they must be in your GitHub profile, right? Because you must
Yes.
have forked the source code from any of these YouTube projects. You must
Yes,
have
sir.
forked the source code. You must have updated the README file according to your learning. Just pin them in the GitHub. Okay.
Yes, sir. I have already done that.
Okay. Great. 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 So just add that GitHub to your LinkedIn profile. Everything is good. Now we
Okay.
can see your resume. But first of all, for people to reach your resume, you should have good LinkedIn profile. Okay. Anyways, let's look at your resume as well.
Yes, sir.
Can you increase the font size, please? Okay. Here you have your GitHub profile. Great. Good job. End-to-end pipeline Jenkins, end-to-end DevOps project. Scroll down. Okay. Yeah, your resume is great. You don't have to change anything in the resume. It is already looking good. You also have the training. Nice. Okay. Everything is perfect about your resume. Just try to improve your LinkedIn profile. That's it. Okay.
Okay, sir. Sir, I have one request. I have one more resume to review of my friend. Can you please review his resume also?
I can do it, but let's give opportunity for others. If your resume is good, just ask. It should be similar to your resume. Whatever you have, right? It should be similar. Like add some projects, add some certifications, add your GitHub profile. It should be same for every fresher. Okay, let's give others opportunity, because I can just take one more person from the whoever is waiting. So, right? I hope you understand.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Karthik. Okay, we have the last one for today. Lalita, hi.
Hi, Abhishek. Hi.
Hi.
Hi, this is Lalita from Germany. I've been following your videos for quite some time
Nice.
because, yeah. So, to give a brief introduction, I've been working in the IT profile since 16, 17 years. So,
Oh, nice.
in so I've been working in Germany since 10 years. But the problem is, like, I've been into the QA domain, but I've got an opportunity to work on different projects while I was working for different companies and all over the continents. So now I would like to, the last project which I've did is on the GCP, which I've worked on the data orchestration, like the data migration
Got it.
from the on-premise database into the Google BigQuery. So
Very
where
nice.
I've worked extensively with the developers being a QA to work on the data migration and to work on the GCP services. So I kind of like the profile and I would like to migrate into the data engineering side. So
Okay.
I have a Python automation knowledge as well as the GCP knowledge. I would like to need a guidance. So how would I establish myself as into the data engineering field? I have done the GCP data certification as well. The data engineering certification as well 2 years back. So that is the reason I've been in trying to contact you to establish myself, because I've been having the knowledge on the Kubernetes and the Docker as well as in the Python, I can say as an intermediate level. And I've worked on these pubs up topics and we have used the extensive cloud build YAML for building up the CI/CD automation and everything. So it's like a bits and pieces. But
See,
when I wanted to establish myself as a entry level DevOps or moving into the data analytics with a QA background, so maybe
see,
a
there are two.
guidance could help you help me.
No, that's great. But see, there are two completely different things. First of all, you have to decide, uh, do you want to get into DevOps engineering role, or do you want to get into data engineering role? And one more thing is that you cannot get into entry level opportunities,
Mhm.
because you will not accept if company pays you as an entry level engineer.
Yeah,
You have
definitely.
16 years experience, right?
Mhm.
Will you be okay if someone pays you for entry level? No. So
No.
if you'll not agree for you to pay at entry level, they will
Mhm.
not agree that you are an entry level engineer. So they will only hire you as an experienced engineer.
True.
Okay. It doesn't matter. End of the day, it doesn't matter. If you have 1 year experience, if you have 2 years experience in DevOps, but your overall experience will count.
Mhm.
You must have learned something from your past experience. You must have learned how to deal with the customers, everything else. Okay, now, so do you want to get into DevOps engineer? I mean, experienced DevOps engineer, or do you want to get into experienced data engineer?
Uh,
According to that,
mhm.
uh, you should start your steps. So if you
Mhm.
want to get into DevOps engineer, you should showcase your skills as, from last 3-4 years, I started working as a DevOps engineer. I'm given I'm given opportunity as a DevOps engineer in my past experience. So, right? So because of that, I started liking it, and now I want to pursue full-time DevOps opportunities. If you want to get into data engineer, you should say the same story, but data engineer point of view.
Mhm.
So yeah, first of all, you should decide which one do you like more.
I kind of like the data because as we have done the data analytics part as a part of the QA role also, so where we have analyzed the data into the data warehousing systems and all, it's more into the data which I liked it. I mean, I would like to explore more of the GCP services in the
That's
perspective
okay.
of the data.
That's okay.
So but I maybe see as we are working in the software field, we have a lot of options to go this course or that course, or how should I, this is all personal development, but maybe it is all like everything is available in a plate, and currently I'm unable to choose which path I should go to be able to establish myself. That is the where I thought maybe talking speaking to you will give me a perspective of better establishing myself.
Got it. Got it. Okay. See, I get that. Um, you like multiple things, even I like multiple things, but end of the day, uh,
I cannot do everything.
yeah, because end of the day, you should decide, right? Like,
True.
okay, like I like apple and orange, but first I will go with one thing. Like either I will go with apple or I will go with orange.
Hmm.
So similarly, you have to decide. Okay, I want to pursue my future in data engineering. If I pursue my future in data engineering, probably as time progress, might be I'll get into ML roles. I will get into maybe AI roles. Similarly, if I'm pursuing DevOps, maybe I'll become a DevOps architect, or maybe I'll get into ML ops roles, or maybe I'll do something with Kubernetes in future. They're two complete different paths. So first of all, you decide which one
Hmm.
you like more, and start your baby steps towards that particular role.
Okay. Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
So,
Like I
yeah, definitely. My profile, because as I'm not actively on the LinkedIn, because wait, let me share. So I'm not active on the LinkedIn because I'm not currently looking for a job. But maybe in 2 months, once I'm
Hmm.
confident enough,
No,
then
no.
I'll start looking
See,
into this one.
okay, one thing I'll
Uh,
tell you.
mhm.
Uh, you don't have to be active on LinkedIn only when you look for opportunities. Okay.
Okay.
So LinkedIn is a social media for IT engineers, right?
Mhm.
Uh, you might not be posting anything on Instagram, but you still have an Instagram account, right? And
True.
probably you're continuously checking what is happening in the space. Similarly, LinkedIn is the best platform for networking.
Okay.
You will find a lot of data engineers there. Maybe you can learn from those data engineers, okay, what exactly is happening in the industry. You follow the right people, you get to know that how to architect better data pipelines. You get to understand how this space is evolving. You get to learn about maybe Snowflake, you get to learn about Apache Kafka,
Mm-hmm.
what are the best practices there. So it's okay if you're not looking for opportunities, but at least try to be active on LinkedIn, so that you
Okay,
will
sure.
learn from them, you will learn the projects, you also keep posting about the things that you're learning. It works like that.
Okay, sure. Yeah, as I've been following your streaming, so maybe we should be adding a lot more about the recent projects and everything, which I didn't
Yeah,
do,
yeah,
definitely.
yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes, yes.
So it basically tells about like the experiences and everything. That's it. So, and the
Yeah, yeah,
certifications which I have acquired. Apart
exactly. i
from
can
that,
i can see your profile. Yeah. Hmm.
yeah, it's something, some recommendations from the previous colleagues. Yeah. Yeah,
Nice,
that's
but yeah, but try to add more there.
mm-hmm.
First of all, you should decide. Like, okay, even before building your profile, try to decide. Okay, I want to get into data engineer. I want to get into DevOps engineer. Take some time. Maybe take 10 days. Maybe take 15 days, because
Mm-hmm.
it's a very important move, right? So take some time.
But how do you see like a person who has an extensive domain knowledge from the QA evolving into the DevOps role or data like which one would be more realistic in terms of the job market or in terms of the realistic experiences? So
No, no, both
what
are
is
not
your
realistic.
opinion? Yeah.
No, both are not realistic, honestly, because from QA engineer, even if you want to switch to data engineer or if you want to switch to DevOps engineer, it's a big leap, because what is a progressive transition? Progressive transition is your automation. Like from
Yes.
manual testing, automation testing is a progressive transition,
Mm-hmm.
or maybe an architect is a progressive transition. But QA engineer to data engineer, like somewhere it's not a smooth transition, right? So both of them are not realistic,
Mm-hmm.
but it depends what you like more and build your profile in that way. Like if I'm in your if I'm in your shoes,
Mm-hmm.
and if I want to switch to data engineer, I will just start building the story that from last 3 to 4 years I'm a data engineer. I worked on these things, I learned these things, etc., etc. So that you go to my LinkedIn profile, you will see that, okay, 12 years into QE, 3 to 4 years into data engineering, where I have good experience into data engineering. Now I'm looking for a new company as a data engineer. This is how my profile would look like if I'm in your shoes.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah, sure. So any of the technologies which can be should be learned as a common technologies, if which are common to the DevOps as well as the data engineering from your perspective. I know the tools like the Kubernetes, Docker, it is common. The Jenkins and the CI/CD pipelines, YAML, scripting, Bash, all these are pretty much common in any of these technologies. Apart from that, do you see any other things?
No, whatever you answer are the common ones,
Okay. Yeah. Yeah,
right?
I'll just stay in touch. So I'll follow the videos, but
Okay.
whatever comes in the way. And thanks for
Okay.
letting me in. Yeah.
Oh, great, great. It was nice talking to you, Lalita.
Yeah,
Yeah.
me too. Thank you.
Bye. Okay, so that's all. I think we did little over 2 hours, but it was very interesting live stream, right? I hope you people who did not get opportunity to join me live, but still you must have learned a lot of things, because we took people who are freshers, we took people who are experienced, QA to DevOps, we took different people. So you might have also learned a lot from this live stream. We do this every Wednesday, but I wanted to do it on Thursday. Somehow from the analytics, I understand that Thursday is when we will hit the 500K landmark. So because we hit 500K landmark today, I wanted to do this special live stream. Usually we do it for 1 hour, but today we went over the time. I think we did 2 hours 10 minutes, but it's for good. I enjoyed this live stream. I hope you also enjoyed it. Thanks for joining today. If you want to, probably get in touch with us, if you have any questions, you can join our Discord server. Just click on the join button, head to the membership tab. You will get the Discord server link and you can join our Discord server. You can ask any doubts there. You can look at interview questions from different people who are attending interviews. You can meet your peers who are also looking for opportunities in DevOps and cloud. We are pretty active there, me and my team. So if you want to get into the Discord, the link is the link is in the membership tab. You get access to it once you click the join button. That's all for today. Thank you so much for joining the live stream. See you all next week. Bye bye. Take care.